Tell me now.
Taxi man wife.
What?
Taxi man wife.
Which taxi man wife?
Fuck, you feel like you want to share a thief or like.
Which taxi man wife? What the fuck?
You get the most, cause 2 shots me take.
Don't play with me now. Stop your rock with me now. That tell you. Or your
A million just tease.
Why your ex?
No
Why your
breaks.
ex?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We love you. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, like. Mwah.
Stop that now. You're 9. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tonight we're gonna be doing the Who is Better challenge, or whatever it want be. So here are the cups. Wait, no, Jillany.
Yeah,
So this one is saying X, if one can see. Wait, it has show. Yeah, good. That one is saying X, that one is saying girlfriend. So both of you on this side, girlfriend will be on that side. So guys, I'm going to ask Jillany some question. And Jillany need to choose who better, the ex or the girlfriend. I'm not vexed, you know.
I'm not supposed to be.
I'm not going to vex. I'm going to just hold my own. Right here, son, I look a kind of right here, so. Make a hold my own. Him now I use nothing normal. Him want use Grey Ghost. How make him use him Grey Ghost? But nah again, Jillany. But nah say nothing. Talk the truth. You just a drink out of that cup there, so.
Continue on the end of music.
You have to talk the truth now, but go by your speakers and me there.
Today's Wednesday?
Talk the truth.
Tell like Wednesday.
Talk the truth.
That's mine.
Think of mine. Press that quick. Alright. So guys, the first question to Jillany is, who is better at planning surprises, your ex or your girlfriend? Tell me what surprise you is.
That's the whole point. I don't like surprises. Continue.
He said who better at planning surprises? You choose me and me.
I don't like surprises.
Anyway, who shops more, your ex or your girlfriend? Oh wow, who shops more?
I like every fucking day.
Who farts more, your ex or your girl?
Well,
I ex to get that
Correction.
No, we don't poop no, stop. We don't poop no Jillany every time. We don't poop no for. Who is most likely to want kids first, your ex or your girlfriend?
Who is most likely to want kids first?
Yeah.
The master.
Your ex?
Mm-hmm.
So, I want your ex anyway.
I don't know.
So we are choosing, you know what we are choosing, boys.
Hey, continue the questions, please, and thank you.
Lord God have mercy.
When you ask the question, you know I'm running through my head. You know I couldn't do a raffle.
Me know who you think of your ex.
No, it's just a raffle.
But you said kids first. Me know who you think of your ex.
You don't know who me think about as my ex. Brother,
me know who you talk.
you don't know who me attack.
Me know who your ex.
Who me attack.
Nah, call no name.
You don't even
It's same somebody.
No, brother. Nah, man, you must sick your fucking head. Nah, man. When you hear me, I said to you.
Ashi.
When you hear me, I said to you.
Tell me
you send me your ex-baby girl.
Why ex?
You know, you've played a raffle, you've played a raffle before.
No.
That's a random shit.
Who are your
A million
ex?
in the teaser.
Why your ex?
No,
Why your
brother.
ex?
A million in
He's not lying, people. He can't
ex, brother.
pinpoint a special ex because he's had so many.
Stop it.
No, you a hoe.
Bitch.
You a hoe. He a hoe. He a big ass hoe. Okay. You might have your girlfriend, you might go drink because he is a whore.
Lie.
Alright. Here
Once upon a time, not long.
Who is the better bathroom singer, your ex or your girlfriend?
Who is the better bathroom singer?
Yeah, who's singing a bathroom
Sure.
in my bed?
You sing better in person.
Don't play with me, no. Don't play with me.
Yeah, I feel a bathroom
Don't play with
sing,
me.
yeah.
Alright. Who keeps the room messy, your ex or your girlfriend?
Who keeps the room messier? The ex or the girlfriend? Random selection again.
Your ex?
You don't get trouble. You know, it says a mother mirror this one.
Alright. Who made the first move, your ex or your girlfriend?
What do you mean by who make the first move?
Who was the eager for sex or
Acha!
me?
No, oh shit. Yeah, you always on when I say Jada.
Love it up,
When I
God.
say Jada and pum pum Jane.
God, God.
Mm.
Who cooks better, your ex or your girlfriend?
Do massa.
Bitch. who, is,
Yeah, no manners.
who is always ready to splurge money on food, your ex or your girlfriend?
Exactly. Mega junk man, what the fuck?
Who never forget anniversary dates, your ex or your girlfriend?
Who never.
Yes, forget them. Oh? Come just like a thump in your ear. Alright.
Me say a question, I know she not ask that blood clot, you know. She skip past that like blood clot than the shandy, but continue.
Who takes more time? Who takes more time to get ready for outings? Your ex or your girlfriend?
Who will take more time? Don't man say you come like you're a market to man, cause you ever ready?
Very fast though. No sir.
Ever ready?
Who wakes up earlier? Your ex or your girlfriend? Who loves kids more? Your ex or your girlfriend? Who is a bigger party animal? Your ex or your girlfriend?
Random selection.
Who drives better? Your ex or your girlfriend?
Me tell a random selection, what the fuck? He's a family. I'm telling you, man, is it?
Who you talk about? Why your ex?
The strongness of a dilute.
Why your ex? You see you? Tell me. Tell me now.
That's my wife.
What?
That's my wife.
Which taxi man wife?
Fuck, you feel like you want to change your teeth for that.
Which taxi man wife?
Man, I don't know what the next time. Me get jump first next time. Continue.
Me go done, cause me
You
not.
can't done. Ready?
We don't like them style of
You
yours.
just name ever ready, I know you said done. I don't care.
Who never forgets to take their mobile along with them to the washroom? Your ex-
And even when you shit a blood clot, you get about a man first thing for that.
Who says sorry first? Your ex or your girlfriend? Tell me, if say me. I say sorry first.
If she says I'm in a response.
Who cries more at the movies? Your ex or your girlfriend?
And nigga, you don't cry no more fucking movie. I don't need to drink at that shit. Cause I've never been to a movie with no ex. And you don't cry no fucking movie. But
Me
me drink
cry.
on Thursday, okay?
You cry when me watch Dweet&Jillany
Okay.
all the time. You know this.
Wait, at the movies. Not at
Them
the
not
movies.
them not have movies on me yard. They not sit up
Oh,
on
oh.
theater. Give me.
When she the ball then, alright.
Who lies the most? Your ex or your girlfriend? Oh God! You're too lie. Me don't lie, Jelani. You're too friggin' lie. Are you lie?
She me the one liquor, nah? Who lie, you hear that?
Are you lie, man? No call me
Expect
name.
you
Me
like
don't
that.
lie.
That's
Don't
a
call
name,
me
yeah.
name. Me not tell no lie. No call me name.
I joke na me. Why you think me and she know that? If you did lie up me, I couldn't be.
Who is the craziest one? Your ex or your woman? Me know, see me I go choose. Wait.
What? You? I'm not a decision. I'm not a choice. Like, more than that?
Oh? What's the cutest smile? Your ex or your... You're not even here. Who is poor with directions? The ex or your...
Do my side, me follow you, my gun, and Dweet.
Who falls sick more after your ex or your girlfriend? Who is more self-obsessed? Your ex or your girlfriend?
Self-obsessed.
Yes.
You're obsessed with yourself. That look a little bit.
Who skips bedding the most? Your ex or your
Nasty, girl.
Who is the first one to fall asleep? Your ex or your girlfriend?
First one, me drop asleep.
You.
Yeah, man, you.
You are the one.
You, nigga, you.
You,
Just sleep till
Jelani.
me see you sleep. A chick get chick sometime.
Who is a crybaby? Your ex or your girlfriend? Who is most likely to start a fight? Your ex or your woman? Yeah, try to match up, Becca. You don't like that.
We're not standing for it. Defend yourself, defend yourself.
Who cannot keep a secret? Your ex or your woman?
This bitch got this in a day.
Who is the better kisser? What the fuck?
You get the most, cause 2 shots me take.
Don't play with me now. Stop getting wrong with me now. That one thing, you know. Who is a better lover?
Who is a better lover? Oh my lord. No, like on Wednesdays.
Me think you're gonna take you up because I'm ready for thump you.
Ready? Where you jump back on?
Who uses the phone the most? Your ex or your girlfriend? You?
Mm-hmm.
Who?
Now when they bought the meter, I'm gonna go to man a blood clot.
Nada.
What you know?
Who is always hungry? Your ex or your girlfriend? Give it up. Who says I love you more often?
Like an English nigga. Like you do it?
Don't make me lick you.
Who will be controlling the TV remote? Not you.
Who flirts the most? Who flirts the most? Ex or girlfriend?
You know, say you. That means you're a flirter now. I should sit for that.
So I'm not flirt with you.
Oh, maybe not say me included.
So who be included, idiot? Now you will talk about?
Oh, fuck.
Idiot. And last but not least,
Now we're going
who
3 more
has,
questions.
who has a better style sense?
Style sense? What do you mean by style sense? Like, no,
Just
what
the
sense
best.
in a style?
Yeah.
Oh, okay then. Miss Official. At Gallery Road. Bamba Clad.
Alright, who cracks the lamest jokes?
My nigga. No, you're
Who snores the loudest?
You ain't snore.
No, we don't snore.
I don't even know what else.
Who is the better dancer?
None of y'all.
Really, dude? Me cat. Yeah, I was at this.
I mean, you can dance with me, but
Who is needier and acts like a baby when they're sick? Yeah, everybody know that's me.
One bonus question.
Me. One bonus
Make sure
question.
that turn up.
Upa pussy tighter.
Bumba clock now. Ba.
You better.
I don't need a car that is still book. We put that one there.
Oh, think you better go put it down back. I'm gonna go fight you. Blue. Anyways, guys, so you wanna have it right there, so? Right there, so? Who you got married to?
Bumba clock. Bonus again. Okay then.
When? When?
Is anytime the channel them reach 100,000 likes and subscribers on
The who?
Anytime your channel reach 100,000.
Where from here, so? Them not do that. Them not make that happen.
They make it happen, man.
Them not make that happen.
Well, they want to see you married, sir.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
May I drink on first?
Say something.
I guess we catch me. But anyways, yeah, I hate that.
We love you guys. Remember to subscribe to The Official. Remember to subscribe to Dee&Jillany. Remember to follow our Instagrams.
Yeah.
The Official and
MVG then.
yes, guys, and Ariana Mullins, our little daughter's channel. And our family channel, The Official Family. We love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, other videos are on our channel. Just scroll down, subscribe, and search for other videos and watch something else. Yes. Bye. Stop.
Adios.
Stop it. Stop it, babes. Sure.
The girl goes
Stop the damn something, let me get up now.
Hold on, my nigga.